Manifesto for a Projective Universe. A Unified Framework from Quantum String to Cosmic Structure. Preamble. We, who seek to understand the fundamental nature of reality, stand at a crossroads. The chasm between the quantum and the cosmic persists, bridged by effective theories but lacking a unified origin. We propose a paradigm, a manifesto for a universe that is projective, emerge, and holistic. This is not a new theory, but a synthesis of profound ideas into a guiding principle, where observed reality is a projected shadow of a simple, higher dimensional structure. The core principle, projective emergence. We assert that the four-dimensional space-time of general relativity, the stage for all physics, chemistry, and biology, is not fundamental. It is a macroscopic projection, a retroprojection from a more primitive, microscopic reality governed by the vibrational dynamics of one-dimensional string or higher dimensional brain existing in a 10 or 11-dimensional arena. This projection is not random, it is a mathematical necessity arising from the compactification of extra dimensions. The properties of our universe, its force, particles, and constant, are not arbitrary input but output determined by the geometric and topological properties of these hidden dimensions. The three pillars of the theory. 1. The fundamental substrate, the core macrocosmic. The basis of all reality is not a point particle but a vibrating, fundamental string. Its dynamics are described by a single, elegant action principle, EG, the Polyakov action. P, sin, int, sqrt, h accent circonflexe, alpha, bêta, partial-bas, alpha x accent circonflexe, mu, partial-bas, bêta x accent circonflexe, mu g-bas, mu x. $x accent circonflexe, mu $define the strings embedding in a higher dimensional space-time with metric $g-bas, mu $. The different vibrational mode of this string manifest a all known particles, the graviton, photon, quark, and lepton. This is the sole, unified entity. 2. The projective mechanism, compactification. The higher dimensional space-time is a product manifold, matcal, m-10 égale, mat-bb, r, accent circonflexe, 3,1 time, matcal, m-6$. Our familiar 4 d'espace-time, mat-bb, r, accent circonflexe, 3,1 emerge asterisk because the extra 6 dimensions, matcal, m-6$ are compactified on a microscopic scale, EG, a Calabi-Yau ou manifold. The process of dimensional reduction. 4D égale int- matcal, m-6, d accent circonflexe 6y, sqrt, g-6, s-p. Is the precise mathematical formulation of the retroprojection. It is the process of averaging over the hidden degrees of freedom to obtain an effective low energy description. 3. The emergence of operators, the laws of physics. The result of this projection is a four-dimensional effective action, S-4D, from which all known operators of physics naturally emerge. The cosmological operator, the Einstein-Hilbert term, sqrt, g, r$ emerge, giving rise to general relativity, the Friedmann equation, and the dynamics of a potentially flat or otherwise universe. The cosmological constant, lambda $, becomes a vacuum energy density determined by the compactification geometry. The Quantum Field Operator, The Gauge Kinetic Terms $, frac, 4, mu, f accent circonflexe, nu, $n fermionic kinetic terms $i, bar, psi, gamma accent circonflexe, mu mu, psi $emerge. The Gauge Group, EG, SU, 3-C, times SU, 2-L, times U, 1-I, are dictated by the isometry and topology of, MATCAL, M-6. The Chemical Operator, Particle Count, Mass, Coupling Constant, and Yukawa Interaction, which govern all of chemistry, are determined by the zero mode and harmonic forms on the compact space. The laws of chemistry are the quantum field laws of the specific effective theory that emerge from the projection. A call to the scientific community. This projective framework is not mere speculation, it is a concrete research program with profound implication. To physicists, we must intensify the search for the unique compactification that yields the exact particle content couplings of the standard model. We must develop deeper insight into the landscape of possibilities and the mechanism of spontaneous compactification. To mathematicians, we require advances in differential geometry, algebraic topology, and the analysis of Calabi-Yau manifolds to classify possible vacua and understand their deformation moduli. To cosmologists, the initial condition for the Big Bang and the nature of dark energy must be re-examined at higher dimensional phenomena. The inflationary epoch may be understood as a dynamical process of compactification and dimensional stabilization. To computational scientists, we need powerful algorithms to calculate the physical couplings, gauge, Yukawa, from the metric of a given compact manifold, moving from mathematical possibility to physical prediction. Conclusion, a unified vision. We propose a universe that is elegantly simple at its core but rich and complex in its projection. The dream of a final theory is the dream of deriving the projective operator at MATCAL P $such that at MATCAL P left S-bar text string G-bar mu right égale S-bar text standard model plus -bar text Einstein plus L dot. This operator encapsulates the journey from the fundamental vibration to the symphony of the cosmos. Let us collaborate across discipline to decode the geometry of projection and finally read the universe from first principles. The future of fundamental science is projective. Abstract, the projective universe, a unified framework from string dynamics to emerge physics. Theoretical physics currently operate with disconnected paradigm GMS, quantum field theory describing microscopic interaction and general relativity governing cosmological scales. This paper proposes a unified framework based on the principle of projective emergence. We posit that the observed four-dimensional universe, including its physical, chemical, and cosmological laws, is not fundamental but rather a low-energy effective theory. This reality emerge via a topological projection, compactification, from a primordial, higher dimensional domain governed by the dynamics of fundamental string. The foundation of this framework is the vibrational dynamics of string, described by a unified action principle in this dimensional space-time. Crucially, the 6 extraspatial dimensions are compactified on a microscopic Calabi-Yau manifold. We demonstrate that the process of dimensional reduction on this internal space acts a projective operator, yielding a four-dimensional effective action. From this single action, all known operators of nature emerge, the Einstein-Hilbert term for gravity and cosmology, Yang-Mills terms for gauge force, and Dirac terms for fermionic matter. Consequently, the constant of the Standard Model, couplings, mass, and mixing angle, are not arbitrary parameters but are derivable from the geometric and topological properties of the compactified dimension. This work synthesizes concepts from string theory, quantum gravity, and cosmology into a coherent manifesto. It argues that resolving the disparity between quantum mechanics and general relativity requires a paradigm shift towards a projective understanding of space-time and physical laws, where our universe is a shadow of a higher dimensional, simple reality. The framework set a definitive research program for theoretically identifying the unique compactification that yield our specific physical universe.